I'm trying to find the 50s stuff. For your love, oh, I would do anything. Well, I would do anything for your love. Now for your kiss. Sounds like Al Hitler. For your kiss, I would go anywhere. I would go anywhere for your kiss. Tony Bennett. Tony Bennett. Earth angel, will you be mine, my darling dear? I love you all the time. Well, I'm just a fool in love with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Earth angel, please be mine. And I'm really straight, so is you. Love me all the time. I'm just a fool to fall in love. Oh, darling, you send me. Darling, you just send me. Well, darling, you just send me. Honest to do, honest to do, honest to do. I know. You thrill me. I know that you thrill me. I know you thrill me. Honest to do. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you so much for being so kind to me, my friend Jimmy Ercolani, for a lot of years. I love this guy and your family and Evie. Thanks so much. Had a good time. Thanks. Cupid, drop back your bow and let your river flow. Straight to my lover's heart from me, nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart from me. Frankie, thank you so much. You're my buddy. Check with Kay, I know she's pregnant. He has 8 kids. I know he is. I think he has a sperm bank in his house because he was always on the road.